In this video guide, I will show you how to check in online in the Lion Air. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for the Lion Air. As you can see here, search for the Lion Air. This is the keyword. After that, click on this first result. You will see this page from here. Just scroll down till see this option, web check-in. Click on web check-in. When you click on web check-in, you will see this page. Choose the Lion Air. After that, choose this if you want to check in. And then all you have to do, the Lion Air, as I say, from here you can start a checking option. You have write your booking reference. Choose your booking reference here. After write your booking reference, write your last name, and then click this option. This is for check-in. So friends, basically you can find your booking reference here. From your ticket you can extract your booking reference from this one, your ticket. You can get your booking reference and then click check-in. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.